Let me ask you a question. What happens to the position of the head when you round your back and look ahead? You naturally move into a forward head posture. Our body is interconnected, and a forward head posture often presents as a compensation to thoracic kyphosis. And this finding is supported by research done by Crocodile. If thoracic kyphosis is the underlying problem, then the sensible solution will be getting your thoracic spine into more extension. Human movement is achieved through muscle contraction. To reverse the kyphotic position, we need to strengthen the back muscle, the rhomboids, the middle and lower trapezius. By getting these muscles stronger, you will find it much easier for you to maintain and extend the posture. To maximize the effectiveness of the strengthening program, we need to increase the mobility of the thoracic spine. By having more mobility, the muscles can achieve a greater range of motion, and this is paramount to an effective strengthening program. To achieve greater thoracic mobility, place the foam roller behind the back, then actively move into extension. To strengthen your posture muscle, you're going to perform a face pull that maintains the muscle contraction between the shoulder blade and the thoracic spine. If you can maintain this position for at least 10 seconds, you can progress by moving your arm overhead. The benefit of doing this is you can better activate your lower trapezius, and you can also get your thoracic spine into more extension. Forward head posture can present as a compensation to thoracic kyphosis. By getting into a more extended posture, sitting with your shoulders back, it will naturally move the position of the head into a more neutral position. We're planning to develop a program to help increase your posture. If there's any topics you would like us to cover, please leave a comment below. Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.